Hi all, I will show you how to create a new branch. First, here you can see this is the master branch. By default it will create when we take the clone. Now go to the project. This is my project, and here when you right click on it, you can open git bash. So one command we have git checkout -b and a branch name. My first branch, whatever you want you can give, and press on enter. Now you can see our branch, it got created. If you go to Visual Studio Code, if you want to add any changes, you go to git bash. Here you can use command like git status. You modified index.html. Now what you need to do is you need to use one command like git add space add, or else you can also add git add index.html. Now give commit -m my commit, anything you can give commit please to have committed, and then you need to, and then you can push your changes. Git push origin -u, your branch you can specify. Say our code is pushed. Go to browser. If you refresh it, here you can get the branch. Just click on compare and pull request. Here whatever you want you can give description, create a pull request. So now you can get the merge pull request. When you click on it, confirm merge request. Our code got merged. When you go here and when you open, you can see paragraph as well.